So we're going to be unboxing these Great Value LED plant lights. It's a 2-head clamp light. Actually, it's just one. It's 2 heads. 3 auto-off timing modes. 10 brightness levels. Selectable spectrum. Energy used. 10 W watts or 10 watts. So it's the measurements. Obviously, it's Walmart Great Value 2-head LED grow light. Again, got this to trying to plant some indoor poppies, so hopefully this will work for it. Hopefully this will help with it. Just read that if you want to do it. It's kind of a cool fact. I did not know that. And it just shows information about that. So let's go ahead and open it up. There it is. It's just a little controller. Here's a little adapter port right there. And the instructions. Risk of shock. But anyways, yeah, there they are right here. Let's try to, but it does say they're 27.5 inches times 3.2 inches times 4.8 inches. So yeah, let's say that's accurate. So I'm gonna cut and plug these in and see how they look. I guess test them out, so we'll see. Alright, as you can see, I've got 3 potted plants right here, and they're all poppy seeds, so I'm hoping that they will end up growing. But here it is right here in its glory. So without further ado, let's turn it on. So here it is right here. Just press this. Well, I'll try to get this to work. Oh, it didn't work. There we go. So there's the blue, and then changed it. It changed different colors earlier, but now I still got to get the hang of this thing. But there's the blue, which is really nice. But yeah, like I said, different colors actually help the plants depending on the growth, I guess. This, you can adjust it. As you can see, I'm adjusting it a little bit. So you hold the button in for a little bit and then it changes, I think. I think that's what it is. I'm trying to find that out. Oh, there we go. See? There's the red. There's the, well, it's purple on here, but it's the blue and red. Blue, red, so on and so forth. So that's pretty cool. So hopefully this will help. So thank you for watching, and bye.